Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to see about DOP project, okay, which is data ownership protocol. So they openly said here this is free testnet only, takes few minutes to complete, and finishing makes you eligible for the reward plus referral bonus, okay. So actually if you complete the testnet process, no, you gonna be eligible for the reward, and they have allocated literally 1% for the people who complete all the testnet process, okay. And in this video I'm gonna show you how you can do those tasks. It's just free of cost, guys. We doesn't have to pay our money, okay, just free of cost only. So make sure to watch this video until the very end. So and before we start our video, one more main thing is, in the recent time in November 8th Binance blockchain week happened. So they have joined the Binance blockchain week and they have demonstrated about their project and all. So currently they have been actually interacting with the Binance team too. So the thing now what I'm trying to tell you is, this project has a huge amount of follow also. So if you go and say their Twitter account, you can see literally 500k above people are following them. And but the thing is, this is a privacy crypto, okay. So privacy crypto means whatever transactions are happening here, people can't track it, okay. So those kind of crypto it is, and mainly these kind of cryptos are targeted by government, so you all know, okay. So the privacy cryptos are actually banned in many countries, so this will be coming under that privacy crypto only. But the thing is, if they are giving any reward, you can just try their testnet and get the reward, sell and get the profit, okay. So we're gonna see, guys, how it's getting done. Before we start our video, if this is the first time visiting to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel, guys, and hit the like button and continue watching it. Your one like means a lot to me. And this is my Telegram channel. Here only I'll be updating all sorts of time sense information, airdrop details, airdrop link and everything. So make sure to follow me here too. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first of all, I'll leave this link in the description, guys. Just click on the link, it will take you here. Once you come here, just click on this I have read and agree to the terms and condition, and give your email address, okay, and then click on let the test begin, okay. And we have to create our new wallet, so just click on create new wallet and give, and then click on. So after you saved your seed phrases and private key, so you need to give the password, okay, and then unlock your wallet. Just click unlock and then it will get unlocked, okay. Just click on the start and just click on MetaMask, and then we have to connect our MetaMask wallet. So just click connect and then switch the network. So once you connected here you can see currently our progress is actually 0 and we haven't completed anything. So now we gotta complete, and people who complete the steps below to be eligible for the DOP token rewards after the token is launched in Q1 of 2024, guys. It's gonna come soon, so try to do this so that you will receive some token from their side. The steps are very simple. We just need to sign in with Twitter and then follow them, okay. So just click on sign in with Twitter. So just click on the connect and then it will open up like this, give authorize app, and we need to click on follow them on the Twitter, okay, and then it will open up their Twitter account. Just click on follow them. So after you follow them, head back here and just click on I have followed them on the X and click on done. The first task is done, and the next thing is claim Sepolia ETH, okay. So they are giving their testnet there itself, so we don't need to go anywhere and claim. So just click on the claim button, and here you can see, guys, it got successfully claimed. And the next thing is claim testnet DOP, okay. So just click on the claim again, then scroll down and do confirm it. So now the transaction is done, okay. So after you claim it, here you can see DOP USDT is there. Just click on claim again and just scroll down and click on confirm, and even this will be done. The tasks are very simple and it hardly takes 5 minutes of your time. So if you do so, you might be eligible for the future reward, guys. So try this one for sure. So even that process is done. And finally encrypt assets, okay. So just click on get started and select the token which you want to encrypt. So I'm gonna click on this USDT and I'm gonna do it for 1000, and I'm gonna click encrypt and I'm gonna click confirm, and we have to do the transaction in our MetaMask. So just click next and click approve. So again we have to do one more transaction. Just click confirm, and guys, here you can see we have successfully encrypted our 1000 DOP USDT, okay, which is testnet token. Just click on OK. We have successfully completed this task also. And finally we have to do another one is send asset, okay. So just click on send and select the token which you want to send and select the amount. I'm gonna send some 10. Click on send, and we have to paste some address. So you can paste anybody else address, or else you can paste your address itself, okay. So for example, my wallet address is here, so I'm gonna copy my address and I'm gonna paste my address here, and I'm gonna click send. So click send. You can send it to yourself also, or else you can send it to somebody else also. Okay, so just click on next and click on approve, and again scroll down and click on confirm. So we have currently transferred 10 USDT. Okay, so just click on close, and we have successfully done the task. Just click on OK again, and even this task is done. And now decrypt our crypto. Okay, so we have encrypted this crypto, right? So I'm gonna decrypt it around some $100. Okay, so we have to give the wallet password for this one. Just type the wallet password and click on decrypt and click on confirm. So once you click confirm, MetaMask will open. Just click on confirm and it will be done. Okay, the decryption is in process right now, so it will be done soon. And here you can see, guys, it got done. We have successfully decrypted 100 DOB USDT. So just click on done. So once you click on done, here you can see, guys, invite 3 friends. At least invite 3 friends to join the DOP testnet for the reward eligibility, starting with your 4th friend. Earn 20% bonus for each friend who complete the testnet task. Okay, so try to make your 3 friends join here, and after that, whenever you are referring a friend, they are joining and completing the testnet, they're gonna get you're gonna get 20% bonus for each of the friend who completes the testnet task. Okay, so important note, you will be able to claim your reward only using the same wallet with which you have completed the testnet task. So guys, 7 out of 8 steps we have completed. If you want to complete this 8th step, you gotta invite people, minimum 3 people, and after that whomsoever is getting joined here, 20% bonus. So every new users are joining after that, so you're gonna get 20% bonus. Okay, for that. And that's it, guys, for this DOP airdrop. So testnet airdrop, maximum of you must try this one, guys. The reason is, in the Q1 2024, currently we are in the Q1 of 2024, so soon they might launch their token. If they do so, we will be eligible for the airdrop. Okay, and thank you, guys, thank you for watching this video, and bye, guys.